There they go. There they go. Oh boy. Lincoln's yelling. Or Gremlin ears is yelling at his brother. Stay away from my shoe. Stay away from my treasure. Oh, they're almost attacking me. Oh, they're wrestling now. The action never stops. But they don't have it. We can try to teach them a lesson. See if I can pet them. Calm down. Oh, he stole the treasure. Lincoln, go get the shoe. Wow, these two nutty dogs. Look at him. Prancing around like he's the king. King Leonidas. King Gremlin ears Leonidas. Prancing around. Get the shoe, Lincoln. Get the shoe. Lincoln, the one shoe dog. Oh boy. These two nutty dogs. I don't know what we're going to do with them. They're yelling at each other. Arguing. They cannot coexist. And look who's got the shoe. And look who's got the shoe. And there goes Gremlin ears Leonidas. Following his brother. Going after another dog. They went after another dog and they left the shoe in peace. Rest in peace. Shoe. Rest in peace. Yes. They've seen a dog on the street out there. They were distracted. The two quirky dogs. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Buttons McGee. Thank you. Have a great day. Oh no, here, no, wait. I thought that was, oh, they're going after another dog there. Two nutty dogs going after, two quirky dogs going after another dog in the neighborhood. Look at Gremlin ears Leonidas with that bubblegum tongue hanging out. Look at him. Look at him. Gremlin ears Leonidas. And there's Lincoln, the one shoe dog, going after another dog in the neighborhood. Look at him sitting down. There he goes prancing around. There they go. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Buttons McGee. Have a great day.